This salt and pepper grinder is great for those who want to simply grind salt and pepper but don't want to pay expensive prices for those fancy gadgets. I really like this grinder because it's simple to use. There are two main ways you can use it. You can tilt it upside down and grind it. And this is how it looks. And you simply just sprinkle it on your food. I like using it this way when I simply just want to throw salt in the pot while I'm cooking soup. So here's me using it in real time, salting my food. I just grind it up, remove the cap, and sprinkle it on my food. One thing to note is the salt does come out fine. So if you didn't get enough salt in the first time, you can just grind it right over your food. In my opinion, the finer salt adds a better flavor. To fill it, you can use a funnel, but I just use this thin spoon to scoop it in. Just replace the cap and grind away. Super easy to use. Here's a close-up shot. And just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Make sure you have the cap on tightly before you use it as well. You can get another one and use it for pepper too. So when it comes to cooking, I'm all about easy, and this grinder is as easy as it gets. I highly recommend it.